Welcome to this new video. In this tutorial, you'll find out how you can convert YouTube videos into notes while using Snipo. To turn your YouTube videos into notes with Snipo, this is what you'll need to do. First of all, open up your browser. It can be any browser that you're using and search for Snipo. Click on the first link, which will say Snipo Take Video Notes to Notion. You'll be redirected to this page. You'll see the option to add it to your Chrome. This is basically an extension that will help you take notes from your YouTube videos. Click on Add to Chrome for free. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Here you'll be able to add this extension to your Chrome. Click on the Add Extension button and you'll see that Snipo's extension is now installed on your Google. Next thing you'll need to do is go on to YouTube and search for the video that you want to take notes from. In this case, I'm just gonna use an example video like this one. You'll see that this small button has now appeared. This is the Taking Notes button. Once you click this, you'll be redirected to a page from Notion which will ask you for some permissions. Click on Next and then allow the access. Now when you go back to your YouTube page and click on that button once again, you'll see that a tab will pop up from the right side of your screen and you'll see the notes of that YouTube video and all the other options that you can use. If you hover over the notes, you'll see this plus option. You can click the plus option in order to add anything that you want to add. And that is how you can take notes from your YouTube videos while using Snipo. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.